Most people compare Dave and Chime the wrong way. Here's the truth no one tells you. These apps may look similar at first, but they solve very different financial problems. So if you choose the wrong one, you could end up paying unnecessary fees or missing features you actually need. In this video, I'll compare Dave versus Chime in 2026, including cash advances, overdraft protection, banking features, fees, and which app is better depending on your financial situation. Let's start with the biggest difference immediately. Dave is mainly built around small cash advances and budgeting tools. Chime, on the other hand, works more like a full online banking platform with spending accounts, savings features, and overdraft coverage for eligible users. That distinction matters a lot. For example, Jake only needs occasional small advances before payday. Dave may work well for him because the app focuses heavily on short-term borrowing and balance alerts. But here's the problem. Many users expect Dave to fully replace a normal bank account. That's usually not its strongest advantage. Now here's where it gets interesting. Chime is often better for people who want an all-in-one banking experience. Eligible users can access features like early direct deposit and spot meme overdraft coverage. For example, Alex gets paid every Friday, but with Chime, his paycheck may arrive earlier depending on when his employer processes payroll. For many users, that feature alone is a huge advantage. But Dave fights back in another area. Simplicity. Dave's interface is extremely beginner-friendly, especially for users mainly focused on avoiding overdraft fees or getting smaller advances quickly. This is where most people fail. They only compare advance amounts and completely ignore long-term banking habits. For example, John constantly uses cash advances every paycheck cycle. Over time, repeated borrowing creates financial pressure regardless of which app he uses. The real goal should be improving cash flow management, not depending on advances forever. And here's another important difference. Fees. Both platforms may charge optional instant transfer fees depending on how quickly you want access to funds. Dave also operates with membership-style features, while Chime's structure focuses more on banking services and overdraft tools. In a minute, I'll show you which app is actually better for different types of users. First, let's talk about approvals. Dave typically analyzes linked bank account activity and recurring deposits before offering advances. Chime's spot meme feature also depends heavily on account activity and qualifying direct deposits. So consistency matters with both platforms. Now here's where the decision becomes easier. If your main goal is quick small advances, budgeting alerts, and simple cash flow support, Dave is often the better choice. It's straightforward and focused mainly on short-term financial flexibility. But if you want a stronger long-term banking setup with direct deposits, savings features and overdraft protection, Chime usually offers more overall value. And here's something many people overlook completely. Neither app fixes overspending habits automatically. The tools only work well if you manage your money responsibly. So which app is better in 2026? Dave is better for users focused mainly on smaller advances and basic budgeting help. Chime is better for users wanting a broader online banking experience with more complete financial tools. The right choice depends on whether you need short-term flexibility or a more complete banking replacement. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with which app you prefer. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing Dave versus MoneyLion to see which cash advance app is actually better in 2026.